Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to restart and how to reboot Redmi mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about how to restart, how to reboot Redmi mobile. And friends, today I will not use Redmi mobile power off button. Without press power off button, you want to restart, you want to reboot your Android mobile, and you want to reboot your Redmi mobile. So friends, now let's see how to reboot phone. Open your device phone setting. After on phone setting, and friends, before on phone setting, long press your power button. If you tap here reboot option, your phone will reboot with button. But friends, we will not use power button. Open your device phone setting now. Open your phone additional setting. After your phone additional setting, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Scroll down here, and friends, in your Redmi mobile, open your phone accessibility setting. After my phone accessibility setting friends, you can see this type interface, and tap here accessibility menu shortcut setting. Shortcut setting friends, shortcut setting is off in your Redmi mobile, on your Android mobile. So friends, tap here accessibility menu shortcut setting, allow option, okay option, yes. So friends, in your Redmi mobile and your Android mobile, right side friends, you can check one man icon will show on your screen. Tap this man icon friends, without use volume button. If you tap here volume setting, so volume setting you can increase decrease, you can adjust your device volume, you can increase, you can decrease your device volume. Friends, if you click here, so you can check notification screenshot setting. Without press button, you can lock screen. So friends, what will we do, we will tap on power off setting. So friends, you can see without press button, power off phone, silent mode setting, airplane mode setting, and phone reboot setting you can use. Tap to reboot mobile, automatic your phone will off, automatic your Redmi mobile, your Android mobile will on without press any button. Tap here phone will reboot, automatic phone will off, automatic your phone will on. 5 4 3 2 1, phone on. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile phone reboot setting, you can reboot your Redmi mobile without press power button. After unlock phone, open your phone security app setting, security application app friends. After my phone security application app friends, first of all click here cleaner setting, clean your Redmi mobile, and now you can, after clean, you can use your Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.